Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox won't connect to the Xbox app on your phone. Now the reason this is happening is because it's going to sound really lame. You have remote play enabled. Yes, you heard me. So what we want to do is go to settings right here and then going down to devices and connections and go to remote features. And we want to disable remote features. And then go to the Xbox app on your phone. Also, you need to make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your Xbox. So go to your phone, make sure Wi-Fi is the same as the one you have connected on your Xbox. Okay, so now with remote features disabled, go to the Xbox button right here, and then go to set up a console. And then go to add existing. Then go to next. Now once you get to this screen and you have remote features disabled, it's going to prompt you to enable it. So you can see on my screen it says enabled. So we can go back to this and go to enable now, and then just test this out. And once you test it, you should be able to connect it. Now you can see Xbox upstairs. So I can just go to this and do this, and then I can go to done. And then it should be fixed and it should be ready to use now. Now the only bad thing is if you're trying to use remote play, you can no longer do this through the app anymore. So you need to go to xbox.com/remote play. So I just have this on an internet browser. So let's go back home. xbox.com/remote play. Select your Xbox. And then you can use remote play through the web browser. So you can see Xbox, and that's how it was connected before. And just make sure you're signed into the same account. I think I have to rotate this now. But it works through here. You can connect anywhere. You can access a web browser. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.